A third of you voted yes. You want OpenClaw content. So here it is. To do this right, I reached out to Hostinger, and they were happy to sponsor this video and even gave me a server to test OpenClaw on. Today we run the full setup, start to finish. Your own private AI agent, running 24/7 on your own infrastructure. Most AI assistants live in someone else's cloud. They scan your chats. They lock you into their stack. With OpenClaw on Hostinger, the agent is yours, your data, your rules. And the new one-click setup means no Docker, no terminal, and no keys to wire up. So let's build one. Start on the Hostinger OpenClaw page and hit Get Started. You get two options. Managed OpenClaw runs everything for you for about $6 a month. OpenClaw on a VPS gives you full control for $9. For a zero-effort setup, pick Managed. In the cart, leave the period on 24 months for the best monthly rate. Then pick a nexos.ai credit bundle. That is your instant access to models like Claude and DeepSeek with no separate key. Now the important part. Click Have a coupon code, type DIYSMARTCODE and apply it for an extra 10% off your whole order. Hit Continue, sign in with Google, GitHub or email, and your order is in. Now the real magic happens in the dashboard. Open the OpenClaw app in your Edge panel and click Setup. It asks for an AI provider. Nexos.ai is already filled in with a key, so you do not need an OpenAI or Anthropic account. Open the model dropdown and you will see premium models. Claude 4.5. DeepSeek V5 4 Pro. We will keep the fast default and move on. Hit deploy and Hostinger builds the whole instance for you. A progress bar fills and in seconds your agent is online. Next, connect a channel. OpenClaw can talk to you through Telegram or WhatsApp. Pick Telegram and it walks you through creating a bot token with Botfather, step by step. WhatsApp is just a quick QR code scan. When the build finishes, you are all set. Click OpenClaw and a sleek dark dashboard opens. Your agent loads a clean chat, ready with suggested prompts. On the left you have channels, skills, nodes and usage. This is a full command center for your own AI, and you can drive all of it from your phone. That is it. A private AI agent running 24/7 on your own hosting a server. The link is in the description and code DIYSMARTCODE gets you 10% off. So tell me, is self-hosted AI the future or is the cloud still good enough? Drop your take in the comments.